Hundreds of people voted for the blueberry and the peach variations that they wanted to see, and overwhelmingly it was blueberry sorbet and peach sorbet. So today we're going to do the blueberry one. It's incredibly simple. Let's get on and make it. We're going to do this in the Ninja Creami. The result is going to be exactly the same if you use it in a churn machine. So let's just dive in. We're going to start with our pan here, and we're going to take 200 grams of fresh blueberries, all stalks removed if there's any left in there. They're going to go straight in the pan. We're going to add in our sugar, which is 185 grams. And here we've got 336 milliliters, grams, it's the same thing, of plain water. We're going to add just a splash of that in here, like so, and reserve the rest. Give that a swirl together. Let's get that on heat and get that macerating for, 3 or 5 minutes. We're going to heat this up just until the skins break down of the blueberries and they release that color that we love and that flavor that we're after. So let's get that going, 3 to 5 minutes. Stir your blueberries to make sure that they don't burn, but you're looking to remove them when they've all turned basically black and the skins start to split to reveal that flesh inside. That means all the sugar has also dissolved. Next, we're going to prepare our stabilizer by adding it to 5 grams of sugar and just combining it like so. Then add our glucose syrup or light corn syrup to the remaining water and stir for a minute or so. The water will turn perfectly clear once again to show that it's all incorporated nicely. Once our blueberries are ready, we're going to add our water solution and then our stabilizer mix and get in there with an immersion blender to completely emulsify all of this together and create a super smooth base mixture. Not forgetting to add in 5 grams of lemon juice just to boost the acidity back to these blueberries. Then simply strain the mix and pop it in your Ninja Creami tub or let it rest and chill in the refrigerator if you're going to churn it. I mean, this color is to die for. Incredible color. Blueberry sorbet. Let's go in. Perfect texture. Incredible taste. Delicious. The Ninja Creami really does create some amazing sorbet. Ultra smooth. Obviously no overrun for sorbet in a Ninja Creami, but it really doesn't need it. It creates something incredibly special. This flavor is to die for. Pure blueberry flavor. Not too sweet, that sharpness as well from that lemon juice, just carrying that acidity forward that the blueberries have. If you're gonna make this in a churn machine, you'll get something with a little bit of overrun, creates something incredibly special. So a really, really nice blueberry sorbet for your Ninja Creami. The next video is a cheap way to make peach sorbet. And then following that, we're gonna use real peaches to make something incredibly special. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.